Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Jamaican sticky ginger cake. Our ingredients for today are, we've got muscovado sugar. This is not the dark brown sugar, this is the muscovado, which is a bit different. We've got golden syrup. We've got a flour, plain flour. We've got butter, salted. We've got our mixed spice and cinnamon. We've got bicarbonate of soda and salt. We've got our stem ginger, which we're just going to be using the syrup at the end. We've got our milk. We've got some black treacle. We've got our ginger. We've got one egg. And we've got our chopped stem ginger. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. Right, we're going to make a start now. So we've got our small saucepan on our stove, so just going to put some heat underneath it. You want a low heat. And into that you're going to put your muscovado sugar. You're going to put our margarine or butter. We're going to put our golden syrup. And we're going to put our black treacle. Remember, you need a low heat on this. And we're going to put in our salt. So if you notice the other thing in there, it's the bicarbonate of soda. But you're just putting in the salt. So you're just going to put that on a low heat and just let it melt and come together till the sugar's dissolved. You're not boiling it or anything, you're just letting the butter dissolve out and the sugar and everything combine together. So I hope everybody's liking our videos. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do. We'll try and get back to as many as we can. So that's all you're doing, just letting it all combine together. And that's it, that's all you need to do. So you're not boiling it or anything, you're just letting it come together. The sugar's dissolved out of it. And then you just take that off the heat and set it to one side for the moment. Right, so we've got our bowl ready now. So we're going to just sieve our flour. That's our flour. Then we're going to put in our cinnamon and our mixed spice and our ginger. I'm going to sieve that through as well. Right, so we've got our ginger sieved. And we're going to put in our chopped ginger just to get it coated. So you're going to just toss this through. So this is just to get your ginger pieces coated, so when it's baking they don't all sink to the bottom. So make sure you give it a really good coating so you don't see no shiny bits. Smell the ginger in it already. So just going to put that aside. Then we've got another bowl. So we've got our bowl and we're going to just break our egg in there. And we're just going to lightly whisk that through. So we're just lightly beating that through. So got back our mixture. And we're going to mix in our sugar, treacle, our butter and our salt. We're going to just mix that into the mixture now. So we're just going to mix this in. And then what we're going to do with our milk, we're going to put our bicarbonate of soda in it. And we're going to give that a stir. And then we're going to put in our egg now. And give that a stir in. Then we're going to pour in our milk. And we're going to give that a good mixing in. This bit is going to take a while because your mixture is going to be really sticky. So as you can see, it's all come together now. So you want it till it drops off the spoon. So that's how it should be. Just drop off your spoon. You know you've got the right consistency. If it doesn't drop off your spoon like that, just add a tip more milk in it. It should be alright. Right, so that's where we want our mixture now. So we've got a loaf tin which we've lined, and we're just going to transfer this over to it. And then you want, if you've got a fan oven, you want it on 160, or gas mark 3 if you've got a gas oven. So I'm just going to transfer this into our tin. You can see it's a really sticky mixture. And this is going to go in your oven for about an hour to an hour 15 minutes. So we'll continue with this, and then we'll see you when we take it out of the oven. Right everybody, we've just got our cake out of the oven. Was in the oven for 1 hour 15 minutes. You can see it's nice and brown and sticky. So now we're going to take our stem ginger juice, which is the syrup from it, and we're going to spoon some over the top. And you're going to leave this in the tin itself for 24 hours just to settle down and everything. So it's best if you leave it, it's going to cool down, it's going to be nice and sticky and everything, and then once it's cooled down, then you can have it with custard, ice cream, or whatever you like. And that is for you, our Jamaican's sticky ginger cake. Thanks for watching this one, and we hope to see you on the next one. Like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hopefully we can continue this journey together. Thank you.